Hey everybody, people are asking to figure out how to upgrade the memory on a brand new Dell 6430u Ultrabook. So this is a very nice, very thin, very fast laptop, mainly for business use. It has a nice sized screen. I think it's a 14.5. So to do this, to upgrade the memory stick, I bought an extra 4 gig stick. So we start off by sliding this over to unlock and sliding the battery down. Alright, once you take the battery off, and it's all one battery and it's very thin. I don't know what type of battery life it has. Haven't gotten to that far. Then to get to the memory, what you do is you take out these 2 little screws. This one right here, right there, and this one right there. Now, I of course and that's it to get to the system board where the memory's at. So this too, you can see it has a little space for the slider. You don't need to slide that to get this down. You just bring it down and it releases from the top. You peel it back. And there is the home for your second stick. So I of course have my grounding strap on. Alright. Now, these are nice key locked. So there's a little tab that it won't fit in this way, so it has to be flipped over. And that little tab stops you from putting them in wrong. So you slide it all the way forward at an angle there, and then you just press down till you hear that click. Granted, you won't hear the cool sound that I just got because timing is amazing. But that's it. Put your cover back on, put the 2 screws back on, and you've just put the extra RAM in your Ultrabook. Thanks.